Good morning. ¿Dónde estamos? Where are we today? It looks like Peru, doesn't it? Very Peruvian flag. Even trademark Inca Cola. But you would be wrong, we're not in Peru because we're in a little shopping centre in sunny Doncaster, a small town in the north of England. And we drove about 1 hour 30 minutes to find our nearest Peruvian restaurant / eatery. And I thought it would be interesting to show you what Peruvian food in the UK is like. What is Peruvian food like? Do they have the lomo? Do they have the salchipapa? Let's find out. Check it out. Taste Peru. And we even have Larry. You're not allowed to sit on Larry. I think that one's Larry. Maybe he's Larry. Who's Larry? Anyway, check out the menu then. Look at this. So, we've ordered some things. We're going to do the official taste test. The Peruvian seal of approval. Does it get the Peruvian seal of approval? She's waiting with a high criteria on which it's going to be judged. But check out what else I've found here. Look at this. They even have pisco.
It's vibrating.
Yeah, that vibrates when the food is ready. It's like, and then your food is ready, then you can get your food.
So
what?
It vibrates?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
What did you order?
Huh?
What did you order?
Tallarin Saltado.
Tallarin Saltado.
And rice something.
Rumba
rice.
Rumba rice.
Yeah,
What
I know
is
what
rumba rice? It's on the Peruvian menu. What is rumba rice?
I have no idea.
You're the Peruvian expert.
I
You
have
should
no
know.
idea. I never tried that before.
Okay, we're about to find out. Okay, here it is. Look at this. Wow. So this is the lomo?
Yeah,
Lomo
Tallarin Saltado.
Oh, Tallarin Saltado.
Yeah.
This is the rumba rice. Rumba?
Rumba rice.
Where's the rumba from? Is that Brazil?
No, the rumba.
Do the rumba, yeah.
We have it in the blood.
Right. Wow. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Well, there's my hand. You can see the size comparison. You need some meat on there for the full taste test.
The salad is great.
Salad's great.
Yeah.
What's that salsa? Beetroot.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Okay. So what does the chicken taste like?
I think the chicken has pollada species.
It's suspicious meat.
No, it's not suspicious.
I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay.
It's species, right? Suspicious?
Spices.
Spices, sorry. How can you do that then?
Yeah, okay, I'll promise to maybe delete it.
Don't be a rat.
Okay, try.
It's a chicken with the pollada species. It looks like.
Okay.
It smells like pollada.
Chicken with spices. What's it like? It's good? Is it Peruvian?
It tastes like pollada.
Pollada. So the rumba. I did a quick Google. The rumba is from Cuba. So maybe it's a Cuban dish. But they do have some, well, you saw the menu. They have some Mexican dishes, various dishes from Latin America. Okay.
I think they call this rumba because it has a mix of things, not because it's from Cuba.
Okay, wow. We have two theories then. Is that the huancaína?
Yeah.
Okay, try the huancaína. Okay, huancaína. It looks quite white.
It's nice. It's tasty. But I think it's too much cheese on it.
Cheese.
You try.
But we don't care what the gringo thinks. We care about what the about what the Peruvian thinks of the Peruvian food in sunny Doncaster. That's all we care about. Does it get the Peruvian seal of approval? Here's Chef of the Year, Gordan Ramsay. Oh yeah, just get those fumes going there.
I need my tomato. Puta madre. Puta madre.
Okay. The harshest critique of the West. Good? Yeah?
Yeah, this is Peruvian. Definitely.
It's Peruvian food. So the rumba rice, not the Peruvian food, but the...
Oh, I mean it's Peruvian. It's just I never heard the name. But this
Never
is,
heard of rumba rice?
I never heard about rumba rice.
Oh. Maybe you're not Peruvian. Offended.
No problem.
But the Lomo, good? Out of 10? 10, full 10 in the UK. That's very good, very good. So when I was living in Las Vegas in America, I used to go to the British pub, the British fish and chip shop, and I was always disappointed because it had this American twist on there, and the American food isn't so great, some of it. But yeah, it was always a little bit disappointing. So it's actually nice when you go to a different country and they can recreate your food, and it gets a solid 10. Yeah, super surprising sometimes, but also really nice.
But we have something to say here. This food was made for Peruvian people. Maybe in America, if you want a British food, it has to be from British people, so they know how that has to taste. But maybe Americans cook British food, so it's weird because they don't know the taste, you know. They think they know, but it's not.
There you go. Peruvian owner, Peruvian food. All right, let's see. So what did you think of the food? Okay, come visit Taste Peru in Doncaster if you're ever in the UK. Check it out, they have really good food.